In this video, I will show you how to update system apps on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Open up your Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do, you have System Apps Updater right here. Go ahead and click on System App Updater. And the next thing you want to do right here, so go ahead and tap on Update. Update over Wi-Fi, update all. This is going to consume about 724 megabytes. So you can choose any options to update the system app. You can as well review and see which one of the app that you would like to update. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, which is non-system update. Just like so, update is on the way. So you can review and see all 8 updates right here. You can review and see anyone that you would like to update. I'm going to update this. And then go ahead and click on updates. Just like so. Update anyway. Then we can simply go back. You can review and update as many as possible updater you have in right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.